If you're new here, welcome to our channel where we teach you on matters regarding eye care. My name is Dr. Lucy, and in this specific video, we will focus on how best to use progressive glasses. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing for more and give us a thumbs up. So let's get started. More often than not, people get uncomfortable when given progressive glasses for the very first time. In fact, some people are completely unable to use them. If you've been in this situation or may require glasses one time or another, this video is for you. To begin, let us know what progressive glasses are and why they are different from other glasses that we may use. Generally, eyeglasses come in a variety of types. The use of different types depends on a person's visual difficulties. There are three main types of prescription glasses that are used to make vision clearer. A single vision lens, for example, has one power over the entire lens and is designed to only focus on a certain distance, either reading that is near or a far distance. A bifocal, on the other hand, has two strengths to correct both far and nearsightedness. But we also have progressive glasses that has multiple strengths over the entire lens that is useful to see various distances. In brief, the bifocal and the progressive lenses allow one to see clearly on two or more distances. But the difference now between the bifocals and the progressive glasses is that bifocals have a line to demarcate the reading and the distance vision sections. So why would one choose progressive glasses over bifocals or the single vision glasses? Generally, glasses, as we have just said, are worn for purposes of making vision clearer due to either short-sightedness, long-sightedness. Children and young people who in most instances have adequate visual correction with just single vision glasses for either far or short-sightedness. But as we age, by the age of around 40 years, one is unable to read at a close distance. Focusing on near objects becomes an uphill task. This is what we call presbyopia. This comes because the natural lens has now become stiff and cannot adjust itself as it would in childhood. At this time, it is necessary to get some corrective reading glasses. Without reading glasses, eyes will get easily tired with persistent headache, and it is difficult to read for a long time. Ideally, one can get some reading glasses for purposes of just reading. The reading glasses then must be removed if the person wants to do a different activity, since reading glasses are only designed for reading or just looking at close objects. It can even get more complex when a person who needs those reading glasses or who is presbyopic also has some long or short-sightedness at the same time. This would mean getting a set of two pairs of glasses, one for, say, far and another for reading. This can be quite cumbersome and even time-consuming, except for those people that are able to read by just removing their glasses. This is especially for those who are short-sighted. Progressive glasses, therefore, provide a combined set of lenses for such persons. Besides, progressive glasses are simpler, they're more convenient, and they have a youthful look. The upper section of a progressive lens provides the strength you need to see clearly at a distance, while the middle section helps you to see clearly at an intermediate or the middle distances. The lower section is designed for short distance of about 30-40 centimeters. Progressive glasses provide that gradual transition in strength from the top to the bottom, and one need not change glasses as they work on near or mid distance, for example when looking at a computer, and then at a far distance. So in brief, these are three main advantages of progressive glasses. 1. Progressive glasses allow one to see at different and various distances without the need to carry a second pair of eyeglasses. Imagine you're a teacher who forgot to carry your reading glasses. How would you cope for that day? It may be very difficult to execute the tasks that day that involves mainly reading. The second is that in progressive glasses, there's no image jumps as seen with bifocals, because the power is reduced from each section in a very gradual and smooth manner. Bifocals have a far distance section and a near section, which are very different in terms of power, and therefore this produces image jumps when changing from seeing through one section to another. Finally, progressive glasses can be as fashionable and modern as one would want them to be. There's no unsightly bifocal line on the lenses. Progressive lenses therefore provide the benefits of a multifocal lens without a line to demarcate the various sections. What then are the disadvantages of progressive glasses? 3 main disadvantages. One is that they take time to adjust, and more often than not, a person may feel that these will not serve their purpose. But just by training the eyes and learning how to use them correctly, progressive glasses are the best you can have. Secondly, there may be visual distortions when one views through the edges of the glasses, and this can be quite disturbing. So again, training will help in some of these disadvantages. And finally, progressive glasses cost more than the single vision glasses or the bifocal ones. So be prepared to look good and also to spend some money. To enjoy progressive glasses, therefore, here are 3 simple steps. Number 1 is to have the correct prescription and fit for your glasses. And secondly, have an open mind, give yourself time to learn and adjust. And then finally, enjoy the freedom that comes with your glasses. So thank you for listening to this video on progressive glasses, and I know you're now better equipped on how to use progressive glasses. To get more on other related videos, do subscribe and we will alert you when we do upload. And until next time, goodbye.